We out here at Pewits Nest in the middle of a rainstorm. Shit. Oh. This is crazy. Literally like running in a river right now. This is insane. It's gonna be cold. It's actually not terrible.
No, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough.
Dude, the hypothermia is gonna set in like 30 minutes.
I feel like if you get used to it though, you can.
Oh, you getting that on video, Eric?
Oh yeah, dude. Sup, David? Hey, I wanna go to that jump. I wanna go up to the jump.
Now let's go do a jump. Fuck it.
Yo, that waterfall sounds insane. This is awesome.
Yeah, I put it in the summer, I think. That's really good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's nice. Woo! Let's go, Max. Dude, this isn't bad at all.
Let's go. Yeah, it's not even bad.
Send him, Max.
Just jump out.
You got it, bro. Woo!
Like if that tree fell. And then you're gonna rope string from like that ledge out, that'd be so
That'd be
lit.
insane. Which that tree is gonna fall sooner or later. Let's go. Oh, that sounded so bad. The sketchy climb to get back to the top. Oh my goodness. Yo, it's actually easy getting up these now. All right, so we're back at the top doing a 35-foot jump again. It's so awesome. There you have it. That's the 35-foot jump at Pewits Nest. All right, let's go. Like and subscribe. Oh. Cowboy Davey. Not gonna lie, dude, that one hurt my hands a lot. Really? Yo, he's not jumping out far enough. Max, you gotta jump out farther than that. Woo! Alright, let's go.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
It's great.
Let's get it. What an amazing jump. Alec Fields, 2K18. Let's hit it. That's just how it be. 2K18. Or how do you turn off the recording?
Stop button.
What's the stop? Those, this?
Yep.